Hello, I'm Sara Vestin Rahmani, founder of Bespoke Bureau and the British Butler Academy. Someone asked me the other day why I'm still so involved in the business, even after all these years. And it actually made me stop and think. So, I've been in the industry for over 20 years now, and the truth is, I still really enjoy it. I find it interesting, rewarding, and I think it's fun. But more importantly, I think this industry is about people. And when you're placing someone into a private household, it's never just about a CV. It's about trust. It's about judgment. And it's about understanding both sides properly. I've seen what happens when it works well, and that's amazing. And I've also seen how disruptive it can be when it doesn't. And that's not something that I want to step away from. I care about the people that we represent, and I care about the homes that we place people into. So, for me, staying involved is not a chore, it's actually what makes the business meaningful. And I think this is also one of the reasons why we're able to deliver at a consistently high level. Thank you for watching.